Hello YouTube, I have modified the X520 from the XK company to be able to start and land on water. I was making the floats by myself. That was a lot of cutting until it's running smooth on the water. The float in the middle came from another plane, but the side floats I have done by myself. And then here in the middle a big gap to be safe that the propellers will not touch the engine. And I put the battery on the top. Actually it would be able to be inside as well now with this configuration. You can take off from land anyway, but doesn't make any sense if it takes more battery. Sure, it is more heavier than usual, so you will have less flight time with the floats on. Probably I can make it more lighter with another middle float. I will think about it. But it is very, very too easy to land on water. Also it's more easy landing on water than on the ground now with these floats. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.